GRT, after a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August in a move that gave us a low below the 0.1126, has seen a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that is now holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the 0.1505. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding, and also discuss an additive structure that is playing out on this chart. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on GRT, you can check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to 5,000 USDT in rewards, and you can also claim up to that USDT in sign up rewards. So make sure that you check out BINANCE using the link down in the description box. And getting back to the charts, after getting our significant low on the 5th of August, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that I believe is obeying the additive structures, where we can term these as an additive count 1. And after we picked in an additive count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in an additive count 2. And once we have a low in place in that additive count 2, I will be expecting a bounce in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue gearing up even higher in an additive count 5. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that additive count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.1277 and the 0.1242, which is the area I have highlighted here on the charts. And you can see that yesterday we started a pullback in this additive count 2 in a move that is yet to fully maximize our minimum target area. And because of the corrective nature in second waves, I also expected to see an ABC corrective structure play out, where we can term these as a wave A, and whatever is playing out is a bounce in this wave B. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see one more new low within this retarget area in this wave C to also complete the formation of this wave 2. And once we have a low in place, we can expect our massive bounce to the upside in this additive count 3. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours, in case we see weakness in the markets and maybe at some point we lose the 20-day MA, we are going to see a breakdown move, having our minimum target areas within this retarget area over here, get one more new low for the second wave, continue holding within the area, since the area should also act as support before we can get another bounce to the upside in this additive count 3. And this breakdown move can only get invalidated in case we see that bullish momentum to push the price even higher and give us a break above the wave 1 high, which lies above the 0.1431. In case we see such a scenario, breaking above that high, maybe with a retest, and also maybe break above resistance at the 0.15, then that will be enough confirmation that we now have a low in place for the second wave over here, and we can start speculating on the next target areas for the third wave, which will be given using the trend-based Fibonacci's. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term here on the GRT chart, and I've given you my minimum pullback target areas. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the additive structures. On the daily chart, you can see that after getting our bear market lows last year, we saw an aggressive bounce taking us to this high above the 0.4947 in what I'm terming as an additive count 1. And after we picked in this additive count 1, we started a breakdown move in a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, I'm expecting an aggressive bounce to the upside in a larger additive count 3. And using the Fibonacci's here, connecting them from the bear market lows to that high above the 0.4947, you can see that GRT is holding above a significant area on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88. which perfectly lies above the 0.1294. And you need to have in mind that in case we see a total breakdown move losing this significant area on the Fibonacci's, there are high chances that GRT is going to give us a total breakdown move to give us a reset of the bear market lows that we made below the 0.0795 last year. And on losing the 0.0795, then I will be expecting new bear market lows here on the GRT chart. So that is something that we need to have in mind and continue watching above. That is that significant key area here on the Fibonacci's, and that is the price action that I'm expecting for the next coming hours and also days. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.